Hi guys, welcome back. It's Mandy. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing of the Birchbox. It came in today. Well, actually it came in yesterday, but I was at work and didn't get a chance to film it. We do have a visitor today. My puppy dog Reba is with us. She's not feeling very well, so I told her she could stay in the video. She's my baby girl. I love her to death, but she's not been feeling too well. So, anyway, thank you for coming back and watching my videos. I appreciate it very, very, very much. I love all you guys that are actually supporting me, and I hope to grow and get bigger. So anyway, we're here to open up the Birchbox, so let's get into it. I'm excited. I love getting the Birchbox. So the Birchbox, if you guys don't know, is another $10 a month subscription, and it's 5 products. Sample sizes mainly. Sometimes you get a bigger size, but not very often. Actually, Itsby's a little bit better with giving you full size items than Birchbox. So I have not watched any unboxing videos of this. I've not seen anything. I didn't want to spoil it. Well, actually, the only thing I did see was the front of the box, which is really pretty. I really like this. It's all Christmassy and pretty. Birchbox always comes in this cardboard box. It comes in this one here, and then inside is another box. And it actually sounds like it's got some weight in it. So let's see what's in it. So you open it up, and that's what it looks like. And it says, "What's meant to be will find a way. Here's to reflecting on an amazing year behind us, looking to the fresh start ahead, and always remembering there's even greater plans for you lined up in the stars." That's sweet. I really like that. That's really cute. And then on the back, it gives you what's in the box and the prices of it. And super excited. All right, so let's get started. A small thanks for being a subscriber. Treat yourself to $10 off your next $50 plus shop order. Nice. Code can be redeemed one time and cannot be combined with other offers, and it's valid through January 31st. Kinda cool, Birchbox. Maybe now I'll get my Max stuff that I need, my Fix Plus. Alright, so the first thing that I'm seeing, obviously it's the biggest thing, so I'm going to pull it out. It is Great Barrier Heat Protectant Hairspray. I've never heard of this. Never seen it. Let's see. It says, the Beach Waver Company. The Great Barrier Heat Protectant Spray, full size, $28. This high-tech hairspray does it all. It strengthens strands, offers flexible hold, and defends hair against damage from heat styling and environmental factors. So let's see if it has a smell. Let's not try to scare the dog here. Oh, for a hairspray, that kind of smells a little fruity. I really like it. And I have been doing a lot of straightening. Well, you can't tell now because I just got off work and my hair is quite a mess. But I have been straightening my hair a lot lately because it's been looking quite gross when I don't straighten it. Wow, that smells really good. Like, it's lingering and it smells really fruity. I will let you know how this is when I do my Itsby box, because I will be trying this tomorrow after I get out of the shower. Okay, so the second thing is Marcelli. I think that's how you say it. Marcelli CC Cream Golden Glow Complete Corrector Sunscreen Tinted Cream. Okay, I don't think I've ever heard of that either. Okay, so it says CC Cream SPF 35 Complete Correction Golden Glow. It doesn't have it just says tinted cream. Full size is $33. The CC cream hydrates, even tones, and gives skin instant radiance thanks to tiny flecks of light reflecting pigments. Plus SPF 35 offers daily sun protection. Okay, let's see what the actual size of it is. Okay, so I guess it's got, they have other products too. It's not that bad of a sample. It actually feels kind of full. That's what it actually looks like. And let's see. No safety seal. And let's see how it feels. There's actually a lot in there because I'm not even squeezing it and it's coming out of the tube. So they actually filled it up, and it's 0.24 fluid ounces. Well, I don't know if you guys can see that. Kind of, it's a little dark, but it kind of is blending in. No, you kind of see it. It's very smooth. It stinks. It doesn't smell good. Not at all. It smells like chemically. Don't like it. But we'll see how it works as like maybe a primer or something to see how it lays underneath the foundation. Or even maybe on like a day that I don't feel like putting up a full face of makeup. By the way, this look has lasted me all day. I only worked a 6.5 hour shift today. Had a short shift. But seriously, and it's the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palettes. Like, even in the inner corner, now I did spice it up a little bit, but it still looks nice. The gold is still there. Like, this stuff, guys, if you haven't tried this, I would definitely give this a try, because I mean, yes, I use Max Fix Plus and I use Urban Decay setting spray, but it still lasted all day. Alright, so the next thing is, I've gotten this before, and I actually like this, and I used it all the last time I got it. I think I got it in my ISPI bag, but this is Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, which I'm sure most of you have seen, or if you get subscriptions that you have gotten this before, because they like to put this in subscription boxes. Alright, so it says Smashbox Cosmetics Photo Finish Foundation Primer, full size, $36. This cult-loved oil-free primer minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines to create silky smooth base for long-wearing makeup. And it does work. And like I used it all the last time I got it. And it lasts actually a little while, because you don't need a whole lot of it. No safety seal. But I will show, for those of you who have not seen it, it is clear. It's, can't really, you can kind of see it there. It's kind of like oily. It doesn't have a scent to it, but it really does work really well. It is a great primer, but nice and smooth, goes right in. You don't see any like dewiness or anything from it. It's kind of like a matte finish, so this is a good product. I do like this. Glad I got a new one. Alright, so then I have two things left. Oh, this is cool. So this is Wish Vanilla Lip Scrub. Gently exfoliates, smoothens, and softens. Paraben-free, sulfate-free, all the frees. That's awesome. Cruelty-free, Leaping Bunny certified. Alright, this is cool. Alright, let's see what this one. This says Vanilla Lip Scrub, full size, $20. That's it? Swipe this Birchbox exclusive scrub over your lips to slow, off dead skin cells and smooth, dry, or chapped lips. I've never used one of these. Now, I use, like, lip scrubs, like, from, like, regular lip scrubs. Maybe this is the same thing. It's just in a tube. Let's see how it smells, and if it smells real vanilla. I'm not going to put it on because I have lipstick on. No safety seal again. Let's see. Oh, it does smell like vanilla. It smells really good. Let's see what it feels like. And by the way, there are 0.25 fluid ounces in this. It's really kind of neat. I've never seen a lip scrub in like a container like this. Very gritty. That's nice. That'll do a way better job than the ones that I'm using right now. I think I'm using, I keep looking over there because it's over on my night table. I think it's Eco Tools. And then I have the Wet n Wild one. I do want the Jeffree Star one bad. Like, I'm seriously going to break down and order that Jeffree Star one. Any of them. I don't care. Oh, it smells just like a vanilla candle. And it's very, very gritty. I don't know if you can see it. Probably not. Yeah, I don't think you can. Not on the camera. But it seems like it's going to be a good product. Alright, down to the very last item. And it is Cella Taupe Eyebrow Color. So this is a eyebrow pencil, I believe. This, yep, eyebrow pencil. Tantalizing Taupe for $20 is the full size. This creamy fine tip brow pencil boosts a universal shade for soft, full, and natural looking brows. Apply using small like hair strokes, working from the inner edge outward. Okay. This actually might be a full size one. I mean, there's quite a bit in there. That looks like as high as it goes. But this might be a full size one. I don't know. I've never seen this brand before, so I'm not sure. But let's see. I'm not pressing very hard at all. That's not too bad, actually. And that's like very lightly pressing. So this actually might be a very good product. I will try this on my makeup look tomorrow and let you guys know how it is. Hopefully I'll get my It's Be bag tomorrow, or my my other box, my BoxyCharm. I really want my BoxyCharm because there's videos on there that on YouTube that I want to watch, and I can't watch them because I don't want to spoil it. And I heard that this month's is a really good box, and I also heard that It's Be's is a good box. So I hope, I'm not saying that this wasn't a bad box. This is a pretty good box considering what's in there. I really am like excited about the lip scrub, and I'm excited about the of course the Smashbox. Everybody likes that stuff. And the hair product, I'm kind of excited about that. So I will definitely, that's right, and the save $10 because I'm definitely going to use that. Can't lose this. Yeah, but I'll let you guys know in whatever video comes up next how these products worked. And I appreciate you guys coming and watching my video. It means so much to me. Like, seriously, I'm so thankful for who does watch my videos. And I appreciate it so much. And I just want to say thank you. And Reba says bye. Say bye. Bye. She doesn't feel good. Alright, guys. Stay tuned for my next 2 boxes. Thank you, and have a fantastic night. Bye.